Hello again everyone, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. I'm Tri and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a new cool paper airplane. To make this paper airplane, you need a piece of just letter size paper. If you don't have just letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work well too. Now, first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. And then unfold the paper. Next step, let's fold the paper in half again the other way. Basically, let's fold the paper airplane like this. This look very nice. And then unfold the paper. Oh yeah, let's just unfold it. On the following step, let's start from this edge, fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. After you finish folding both sides of the paper to the center crease, now let's start from the tip for straight to this line. Perfect. On the following step, let's turn the paper over and start from this edge, fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. The paper blends look so nice at this point, so let's just fold the paper in half. On the following step, let's start from this edge, fold to this crease, or this edge. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let's open the wings. This is how it should look like. Very nice actually. This blend is not a long distance blend, it's just an easy blend for you. You can test it out and let me know how it works for you. Before we finish this blend, let's do a few more steps to stylize the paper blend and make it look even cooler. Alright, so let me start from this side. I match this edge to the crease right here. And then I repeat the same fold for the other side. Here we go. So this looks so nice. And then we can flatten down the paper. It should look like this. Alright. And keep the stabilizer this way. Now let's start from this side. Let's fold straight down. You can have a crease right here. So start from here, this point. Estimate about the center crease from this corner to the other corner, or basically this crease right here. You can see the crease. So I just press down the paper, match it to this edge, the crease right here, the intersection between the crease and the edge. So let's do one side first, and then repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's curve the wings and then fold down. Alright, so let's adjust the wings a little bit more. Oh, make sure that both sides are even. If both sides are not even, then the blend won't fly well. This is very important that we match both sides evenly. Okay, we need to fold this side a little bit more, so I will cut the paper down and then press it. This is the hardest step, so be patient and you will be able to make it. When you finish both sides, make sure that both sides are even, right? So now one is higher than the other. That's not correct. I will need to adjust the paper just a little bit to make sure that both sides are even. And here you go. This is what we should have so far. And now we need to fold this part up to create the wings. So I just curve up, match this edge to the top edge right here. I'll curve slowly and fold down. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. I will turn the paper over and I fold the same thing. Alright, I fold this stabilizer out and match it. And here you go. This is what we should have. Let's adjust this part of the paper. Same thing for the other side. And adjust the head of the blade as well. The carbon right here. Oh wow, it's not even, so we need to adjust here too. Even this part. Very important that you adjust both sides of the wings. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. This plane should fly okay inside the house. This is not a long distance plane. It's just a short distance plane, but it's a very cool look. You can do a little bit more by matching, fold this side down and like this. Fold this part of the paper down, and repeat the same fold for the other side. When you finish both sides, let's fold it up so that the border of the plane look nice as well, right? Oh, make sure that both sides are even too. Alright, so when you finish both sides, you can press down, adjust, just make sure that all creases are lined up straight. And here you go. This is a new paper plane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plan. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.